Most organizations have specialized departments taking care of the business needs. While this separation of duties brings security, no one really knows how different entities come together to form the bigger picture. With this multi-part video series, I attempt to bridge this gap. The series starts with using IBM Defender CDM to make storage-assisted backups using IBM Flash System Storage. We will also dive into different operations such as system definition, create the actions performed at the storage level, and also right from the operating system installation all the way to the HANA setup as well as the replication setup, and also the pacemaker cluster creation. Although VMware is used throughout this demonstration, the setup steps remain same for the bare metal system. The high-level steps involved in the process are described here.